On that train one day, you looked so fine I couldn't look away. You had such a fine sachet as we moved on down the track. If I'd have known you'd cause such pain, would have jumped beneath that train. Oh yeah. I had a car, took the key, took my house because you pleased. Then you took my dignity, and that was going too far. You took all I had and ran to the arms of another man. Yeah. Now I'm walking down that track. I got me a pickaxe on my back, big old crowbar in his sack, and I hear that whistle whine. I know I might wind up in jail, well God knows I ain't got no bail, but I'm taking out that rail, cause I know you're on that line. Waiting here, feel just fine. Hear them train brakes start to grind. I know that it won't stop in time as we move on down the track. When that train jumps off the rail, I'm gonna drive you straight to hell, yeah. I got me a pickaxe on my back, big old crowbar in his sack, and I hear that whistle whine. Know I might wind up in jail, but God knows I ain't got no bail, but I'm taking out that rail, cause I know you're on that line. Waiting here, feel just fine. Hear them train brakes start to grind. Know that it won't stop in time as we move on down the track. When that train jumps off the rail, gonna drive you straight to hell, oh yeah.